Hello and welcome to my course where I teach you how to draw in bite-sized lessons. This is lesson number 7. So if you want to follow the rest, I'll leave a link up over here and you can go and catch the playlist for that. In this lesson, we're going to be drawing a tonal chart. So in the previous class, I showed you how to get your 3 favorite pencils, which will give you all the tonal values that you need to draw with. We need to now use those pencils to draw a tonal chart. And that tonal chart we'll then use later on while drawing. So let me show you what the tonal chart looks like and how to create it. Okay, so this is what the pencil tonal chart looks like. I'll leave a link in the description for you to go and download that. So this here is sort of your legend telling you what you need to do. So what we're trying to create in the end of the day is a continuous tonal value chart or scale like that. So your first block is empty because he's white, and your last block needs to be black. So you're going to use the 3 pencils that we worked out from the previous class, and you're going to use them to fill in that. So for me, my hard pencil is a 4H. My medium pencil I'm going to use as a B, and the soft pencil that I'm going to use is a 6B. And then the extra soft pencil I've got is a 9XB. You can use, say, a 9, 10, or even a 12B will also work over there like that. So we'll start off in this block over here with a soft pressure. Can you see that? Soft. And just nice gradual overlapping strokes. And that'll give you a nice even tonal value over that. And you can use this as a guide to get as close to that as the same tonal value. Alrighty, now moving over to my B pencil in this block over here, and I'm going to press soft. Great. Sticking with the same pencil in this block over here, I'm going to press hard. Now I'm going to go over to my 6B. Here I'll have to not press soft because that's going to give me that same tonal value. Remember from when we were testing our pencils? I need to go darker than that. So I'm going to use a medium pressure over here. And give it as many layers as you need to get that correct tonal value. But just staying with the same medium pressure. And that way you know you're not going to go over the tonal value that you're looking for. Awesome, we're getting there, eh? Alright, so soft pencil, pressing hard in that block. As before, use as many layers as you need to get the right tonal value. If you can't get the right tonal value, then you're not using the right pencil. You need to choose a different pencil. Right, so that's as dark as that pencil goes. So for the last one, to get that really, really black, I do use the combo pencil, which is a 9XB. So this one's got some charcoal mixed into the graphite and clay mixture. That's why you'll see it gets you darker than just the normal graphite. So I'm pressing hard. We get this guy well filled in. Fabulous. Alright, so when you're done, you should have yourself a nice little tonal chart like this, with each of your blocks becoming progressively darker and darker and darker. So don't be shy. Make yourself as many tonal charts as you need until you get a nice gradual progression in your tonal values like that. Because in the end of the day, you're going to cut this out and you're going to use it on a regular basis while drawing. Also, if you're not getting a nice progression over here, play around with different pencils. Go back to your pencil testing sheet and try out different combinations of pencils that are going to give you a nice gradual progression of tonal values like that. Well done. Now you know how to draw a tonal chart. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you the different ways that we hold our pencil while drawing. So I'm going to leave a link for that right here. So if you enjoyed the lesson, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell so that I can inform you when I add to the course. If you want to take a look at the hundreds of other pencil drawing classes that I have on my website, I'll leave a link on the screen there for you as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.